How to order on Amazon. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top to find the product you want to buy. Tap on the item to open its product page. Here, you can view photos, read the description, check the price, delivery details, and customer reviews. If the item has options such as size, color, or style, select your preferred options before continuing. After selecting the options, tap the Add to Cart button. You can continue shopping or tap the cart icon to review your items. Inside the cart, check the product details, quantity, price, and estimated delivery date. If everything looks correct, tap Proceed to Checkout. Next, enter or confirm your shipping address, then choose your preferred payment method, such as a credit/debit card, Amazon Pay balance, or other available options. Review your order one final time, including the total cost and delivery information. Finally, tap Place Your Order to complete the purchase. You will receive an order confirmation, and Amazon will begin processing your order. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.